Hey everyone! In this video, we're excited to talk about a new enhancement from AWS that improves accessibility for your EC2 instances using IPv6. If you're working with Amazon EC2 and looking to leverage IPv6 more effectively, this update is for you. Amazon EC2 Public DNS names can now resolve to IPv6 Global Unicast Addresses, also known as AAAA records. That means starting today, you can directly access your IPv6-enabled EC2 instances using their public DNS names, just like you already do for IPv4. Previously, public DNS names resolved only to the public IPv4 address, an A record, of the primary ENI attached to the instance. For customers using IPv6, this meant manually copying the IPv6 address to connect, or setting up a custom domain via Amazon Route 53. It was a bit of a hassle. Now, with IPv6 support for EC2 Public DNS, that's no longer necessary. Whether your instance is IPv6 only or dual stack, you can now access it using a simple DNS name, without needing to memorize or manage IPv6 addresses. It's a huge step forward in simplifying network configurations and migrations. This update is especially useful for customers planning to migrate to IPv6, as it enables a seamless DNS cutover strategy. You can gradually move services from IPv4 to IPv6 while maintaining DNS-based access without disrupting your architecture. The best part? This feature is available across all AWS commercial regions and AWS GovCloud, US. You don't need any special setup. Just use the same VPC settings you'd normally use to enable public DNS for IPv4, and IPv6 will now be supported too. This means your EC2 public DNS names will resolve to both A and AAAA records, depending on whether the instance is configured with an IPv4 or IPv6 address. It's transparent, scalable, and super convenient. Whether you're managing a fleet of web servers, APIs, or backend services, this feature will help reduce complexity, enhance compatibility, and support the next generation of Internet protocols. To learn more about enabling IPv6 support for EC2 public DNS names, check out the AWS documentation linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AWS updates.